Hi, you're watching Keko Couponer, and I'm going to go through a list of all the best deals at Stop and Shop for the week of 9/27 to 10/03. Sorry, my cat doesn't want to leave me alone. So first I'm going to talk about the food deals. First we have Beech Nut baby food. That's still free if you have the dollar off one IP. Chobani is free. So they're on sale for $1 each, and if you buy 5, you're going to get the 6th one free. And if you have 6 of the peelies, and I am getting reports that they are still being found, so you would buy 6 of them, use 6 of the dollar off peelies, that makes it $1 money maker, and then you're going to get back $1 off 5 on Saving Star. You're going to use 2 of the dollar off 5 load to card coupons, and that's going to be a $4 money maker. Or if you can't find any peelies, that's okay. You can do a $1 off 5 Smart Source coupon and a 2 the $1 off 5 load to card coupons. You'll get back the $1 off 5 for Saving Star, and if you're lucky, you can get the checkout 51 and it'll be free. Tofiffay, I don't know if I'm saying that right, but this new chocolate that's come out, there's a coupon in the Smart Source for $1 off 1, and they're on sale for 88 cents, so that's a 20-cent moneymaker. For me, the Ibotta is gone, but check your area. You might be able to get an Ibotta rebate for 50 cents for each one. And if you redeem it twice, you'll get $1 additional bonus rebate. So that's $2.40 moneymaker. Domino's Golden Sugar is on sale for $2.50. We have the 75-cent off 1 Smart Source coupon, and if you use that, it's going to be just $1. Juicy Juice is on sale, clearance sale, for $1.94. We have a 75-cent off 1 coupon. You can use that, and it's just going to be 44 cents each. Here's a clearance find. No coupons needed. Kingsford barbecue baked beans are only 15 cents each. Ortega is on sale for buy one get one free. So if you buy Ortega taco mix, Ortega is on sale for buy one get one free. So if you buy Ortega taco mix, it's only $1.09. You're gonna pay for that one, but you're buying 2. You're gonna use a $1 off 2 IP, and it's just gonna be 5 cents. That's amazing. Ortega taco shells are $2.99 each. You're going to buy 2. One's going to be free. You're going to use the $1 off 2 IP, and you're going to pay $1.29 or 64 cents each. Ortega salsa is $3.19. If you buy 2, the second one's going to be free, and you're going to use the $1 off 1. $1 off 2 IP, and it's going to be $2.99 or $1.09 each. Sunny D is on clearance for 75 cents in some stores. You can use your 50-cent off 1 Smart Source coupon, and that expires on the 29th. Just remember that. So use them all before then. You're only going to pay 25 cents. Check your receipt on those 2 because I just stocked up on a bunch of them and they rang up full price. And in my state, if something is marked at 75 cents and it rings up full price, they have to give you the first one free, and the rest of them have to be corrected to the correct sale price. So always check your receipts. Taco Bell cheese is on sale for buy one get one free. They're $2.99. There are $1 off 1 peelies. So if you use 2 of those, you're only going to pay 99 cents or 49 cents each. Belvita is on sale for 2 for $7. There's $1 off 2 from Smart Source. You're going to get back $1 off 2 from Saving Star and $1 off 2 from Checkout 51. So your total is going to be $4 or $2 each. Breyer's ice cream is on sale for 2 for $6. You're going to buy 2, and if you have this in your stash or if you want to order it, they have $1.25 off 1 Breyer's ice cream IP. So use 2 of those. You're going to use $1 off 2 load to card coupon, and you're going to get $2 back on your next order Catalina coupon. So your total is going to be 50 cents or 25 cents each. Amazing. Annie's fruit snacks are on sale for $3.99. Buy one get one free. So you're going to buy 2. The second one's going to be free. You're going to use 50 cent off 2 IP or $1 off 2 peely. I've seen a lot of them on the fruit snacks, so you'll probably get lucky and find them. And you're also going to use 50 cents off to load to card coupon. So your total is going to be $2.49 or $1.25 each. We have deals on baby food pouches. Earth's Best is 4 for $5. If you buy 3, you're going to use $1 off 3 IP, and your total is going to be $2.75 or 91 cents each. Happy Baby pouches are 4 for $5. If you buy 3, you're going to use $1 off 3 IP, $1 off 3 load to card coupon, and your total is going to be $1.75 or 58 cents each. That also goes with the Beech Nut baby food pouches. They are $1 as well. So if you have your Beech Nut $1 off 1 coupon, it's going to be free. Bantam bagels are in the freezer section. They're buy one get one free at $4.99. So you're gonna buy 2. The second one is free. They all have peelies on them. So they're $1 off 1. You're gonna use 2 of them. You're gonna save $1 off 1 load to card coupon. Your total is gonna be $1.99 or 99 cents each. These are in the freezer, so they're great to stock up for appetizers for Thanksgiving. General Mills cereals are going to be on sale for $3.99. Buy one get one free. So you're going to buy 2. Second one's free. You're going to use 2 of your $1 off 1 peelies, $1 off 2 load to card coupon. Your total is going to be 69 cents or 34 cents each. Now I know those peelies say that you can only use them on certain ones, but last week I used it on the Reese's Puffs and it worked. So just try. Because it does say on the front that you can use it on any of the General Mills cereal, and they were sticking them on every cereal. So, I mean, I don't think that the suppliers even care. So, another thing, if you don't have the peelies, you can use $1 off 2 Smart Source coupon. You're going to use the load to card coupon, and your total is going to be $1.69 or 84 cents each. Still a great deal for the large size. Screamin' Sicilian Pizza is on sale for $5.99. We have $1 off 1 IP that you can get for signing up for their emails. And there's also peelies floating around. You're going to use $1 off 1 load to card coupon, and your total is going to be $3.99 for a big frozen pizza. And last but not least, Schweppes Malt Pepsi is on sale for 77 cents on Friday and Saturday only. So if you have purchased Schweppes in the past, or even Crush, and I'm talking about the 12-pack cartons, soda cartons, inside them on the cardboard they have $1 off 2 of the 2-liter sodas. So if you bought a Schweppes, then you could buy 2 of the 2-liter Schweppes. Or if you bought a Crush in the past, you can use that coupon and buy a Crush soda. And your total is going to be 54 cents or 27 cents each. Amazing. Thank you for watching my weekly breakdown. Be sure to watch the next video of all of the household items that I have. Have a great day. Bye.